Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another Fab Fit Fun unboxing and this one is the Awesome or Full box and this one looks massive. I have the box in my arms right here. This one is bigger than the summer box and I only actually remember I think 2 things that I chose in this box. So everything else is going to be completely new to me. I'm not going to know anything about what I have because I've either forgotten or I didn't actually choose something in this box. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So this one is my third Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I did the spring and the summer ones from this year and I do have them on my channel. I'll link the videos down below if you want to see how they go. But to be honest, so far the best box I've had is the spring one. The summer one, it was okay. I wasn't the biggest fan of. This is going to be completely a first impression because obviously I'm unboxing it and the box is, yeah, it is massive, it's huge, it's as big as my spring one that I got. The summer one was smaller, but there is something massive that I actually chose in this. So hopefully it's going to be looking good and hopefully I'm going to enjoy this more than I did with the summer one because that one wasn't really the best one that I had and I wasn't really the best pleased, and that box sort of made me feel like whether it was worth me not even doing the full box because I was like, ugh. But the thing is, it's only $50, so it is a lot of money. But when you think of the things that you get in there, it's not really that bad. And if there is something that you definitely want that's more than the $50, then I feel like that is a really good thing. I mean, I've had the PMD cleaner. That is normally, I think, like $95 or like £90 here in the UK. And the entire box cost me $50. And if you do want to purchase from FabFitFun, I do have a coupon code down below for you so you can get some dollars off of it. But this is completely unsponsored. This is all my own first impression because I purchased it with my own money as well. So you're going to get something that is completely genuine, and if I don't like something, I will say if I don't like it. If I like something, I'll tell you that I like it. So I'm just going to get a screwdriver because I can't find any scissors, and we're going to open this box. And you always get the FabFitFun magazine in every single one of them, and then you also get your different things. I did also get an extra product as well for $15, and I think that was meant to be like $60 or $70, so I did pretty well on that. It was only like $15 for that. So I'm not going to look through this yet because I want it to be a complete first impression, because in here it does tell you all of the things that you can get in it and I want it to be a complete surprise. So we're just going to put this to the side for the moment and start taking out some stuff. So you also get 16 meals free with HelloFresh, and you always get something to do with HelloFresh in every single box. So let's see. Okay, so the first thing that I got, which was actually something that I was very excited about, is the Golden Rabbit Dutch oven. So this, you could choose quite a few different things, and I think they had like cutting boards and stuff like that, but I saw this and I was like, this is really beautiful, and that's why I chose it, because I do like getting into cooking a little bit more now that I've got my own home. I actually thought this was going to be heavier than it actually is, so when I felt the box I was like, have they even put this in? I can't even get it out. Okay, there you go. So this is the Dutch oven. Just look at how beautiful that is. I love it. I feel like it's so pretty. Again, it's not as heavy as I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be like really heavy, like china, you know, like really thick ceramic stuff. But this is enamelware, so it is a lot lighter, as you can hear. I'm going to be using this for a lot of stuff. I am obsessed with how beautiful that is. So I'm happy that I got this. And like I said, this was the thing that I was most excited for. And I was shocked by the time that I went to actually order it that they still had some left. Oh, you also get the lid as well. Get the little lid on there. So let's pop it together. That's what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I am going to show you the next product that I purchased. So this was a thing that you could get for $15, and this is the Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum from Rodial, or Rodial, I'm butchering the name, and it's the Lift and Illuminate Serums. And I saw this and I was like, you know what, I like my skincare. This is something completely different. I did look at a couple of reviews as well because I wasn't really too sure, you know, if it's something that would go with my skin, because I do have very acne prone skin, and apparently this is supposed to be really good. So it has triple action flash radiant serum for an immediate lift effect, even skin tone and luminosity with skin whitening enzymes, vitamin C and diamond powder. So it does have quite a few really good ingredients. You get 30 millilitres or 1 fluid ounce as well, and I just thought this looked so pretty, so I decided to go ahead and try it out and see how it goes on my skin. Obviously if it doesn't work for me, then I will give it to someone else, but it's something that I really wanted to try because I don't spend extra on something unless I know that I actually want to try it out. And the next product that I have is a necklace and a pair of earrings from Coty. Now this was one that I was really excited about, and I couldn't believe that they still had it available when I managed to get my hands on it. And I think this is supposed to be a lot of money. I do really like Coty things. Their jewellery, I like the bags as well. The bags are such high quality, so if you do want to have more expensive handbags, I definitely recommend going for Coty because they are just so good. So this is what they look like, and they're really cute flowers for the earrings, and then you have like a little diamante on the necklace, and it's like rose gold as well. It looks really beautiful. I like the fact that you also get a dust bag with them as well, because sometimes you can purchase jewellery and you don't get like a dust bag or anything to put it in, and then it can start going horrible and stuff like that. So I'm happy that you get the dust bag with this, but they are just really beautiful. And in all honesty, I think those are the only things I actually chose myself. The rest of the things in here are things that were completely chosen at random, and there's not actually a lot of stuff in here, so I feel like that they give you less products in this one to any of the other boxes that I've had before. So the next product that I have is the Mad Skincare Glycolic Age Diffusing Cleanser. I didn't choose this one. I have very sensitive skin, and this one is anti-aging, and I wouldn't have gone for something specifically anti-aging because usually stuff like this really irritates my skin, and I don't know, I don't know if this is going to be something good for me at all, so I might just give it away to someone else because I have a lot of cleansers, and because my skin is so sensitive and so acne prone, there's only a few that I can use. Now it does have a blend of glycolic acid, gentle cleansing agents lift away dirt and dead skin cells, leaving your skin glowing, soothed and moisturised, minimises the appearance of fine lines and makes your skin look radiant. So I may test it out, but I feel like it'd probably be better for my mum instead of me. But it looks like it's expensive and it looks like it's gonna be good, but I just don't know if it's gonna act very well to my skin. So this one, I would rather have them given me something else to do with skincare. I have the True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm. This is moisturising balm for hands and body, so I'm assuming this is sort of like Vaseline or sort of like hand cream. Now this looks like it's expensive. It looks like it might be good. Let's see if there's a scent. It's probably already got a cap on it. Yeah, it already has a cap on it, so you can't smell it. But shea butter, I mean, I love the smell of shea butter. It's just really beautiful. So, you know, I will get some use out of this one. I don't know how expensive this is, but oh wow, this feels really hard. I wasn't expecting it to feel this hard. Obviously you can't feel it, but it feels like, you know, like when you make stress balls out of the balloons and the flour, it literally feels like that. So I feel like it might work out. So, you know, I am going to use this because I always like things for hands and for elbows and stuff like that, so I will definitely get my use out of this. So the next one is the Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. It nourishes and combats skin discomfort, and it's for sensitive skin, which is really good because, like I said, I have very sensitive skin, so anything that says it's specifically for that type of skin is probably going to work out really well for me. I have never heard of this before. It has blackcurrant seed oil, which is rich in omega-3 to help nourish and soothe the skin, sea buckthorn berry oil rich in omega-7 to soften the skin, and camellia oil to replenish the skin as well. It's also vegan, dermatologist tested and approved as well, and you can also recycle everything. So it looks like it's probably going to be pretty nice. I wouldn't have chosen this for myself, but I think this is probably going to be quite nice, and I like the fact that it is actually suited for my skin type. And the last product that I have is the Stojo collapsible cup with 4 reusable straws. Now I didn't actually choose this, but I'm actually happy I got this because out of all of the ones from that specific time, I wasn't a fan of and I didn't really like them, so I just pretty much chose random. But I'm happy that they gave me this one because it's something that I definitely would do. So it is an expandable and collapsible cup. It goes from 5 inches to 2 inches, dishwasher and microwave safe, handles hot and cold. It's also BPA and BPS free and made from recyclable materials, which I think is absolutely amazing. You get 4 silicone straws and a collapsible cup. So let's see what this looks like. But this is the box. And then on the back it has the instructions of how to do it. Now I don't own one of these, but I feel like these are a really good thing to have because you can just, you know, like take them for travel, you can fill it up and you can just collapse it when you want to. So that's what it looks like collapsed. So it is pretty small. Okay, so you just basically pull it out like this. And then you pop your little lid on there. So this goes on like a little thing that you protect your hand from, because obviously if you've got something hot in here, you don't really want to, you know, get your hand boiling. And then the silicone straws, these are so weird. So you get 4 silicone straws in here. These are so strange. I don't own silicone straws. I never would have thought of that. And then you've got the little flip at the top here. You can also take the top bit out and then you can put one of the straws in there. So I really like this. I feel like this is really good for travel. This is something that I definitely would have chosen myself. I love stuff like this. This is really, really good. So that's everything that I have in Fab Fit Fun. Now I feel like I have less products than the last 2 times, because one of them I purchased separately and then it doesn't look like I have much else in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a look through the magazine. I'm going to see how much all of these products are on their own and see if it is definitely worth it. So I'm going to go ahead, calculate everything up, and I'll let you know how much it's worth and if I feel like you should just purchase a box or if it's not worth the money. So I've just done a little Google search on everything that I have in this box, and I paid $50 for the box and an extra $15 for the Rhodial Pink Diamond Serum, and it's a total of almost $500 for everything in this box. So the most expensive things, so you can get UK prices and you can also get US prices. So sometimes the UK prices are a bit more. So with this Rhodial Pink Diamond Lifting Serum, I paid $15 separately for this, or you can just get it as one of your choices. This retails for £125 or $135. So I have saved over $100 on this and £100. So if there is something that's in this box that you really do like that is very expensive, I recommend just getting the box, because this could be one of your choices. The fact that I paid $15 for this is because I got the Dutch oven as my choice, and then if I was to get this instead of Dutch oven and then get the Dutch oven separately, that would have been $15 anyway. So yeah, I saved over $100 or £100 on this specific product. Now like I said, there's only really I think 2 things in here that I'm not really the best pleased about. So just the Mad Skincare, this is expensive on its own. I wouldn't pay the price for this just because I don't feel like it would go well with my skin. And then also the Shea and Moringa Balm. I like this, but I wouldn't have chosen it. And I think this is like $20 separately, and it's not really a big tube for $20. And then also, completely forgot about the Coach earrings and necklace set. This is $125. $125. So there's several products in here that are over $100. And actually the cheapest thing is the collapsible cup and straws. These I think are about $31, or you can get them without the straws on Amazon and it's like $11.99, something like that. So if you do want to try one of these, it is the most affordable thing, but I am really happy with it because I know that I'm going to get use out of it, and I think this is a really good thing to get. So this box, I actually really like it. The only annoying thing is I wish they had more choice of different things. So for instance, with each category, I can't really find something on every single category that I like. There's only been a couple. So for instance, I chose the Coach set myself, I chose the Rhodial Pink Diamond Serum, and I chose the Dutch oven myself. Those were the only 3 things out of the entire thing that I chose myself, and one of them I ended up paying extra for. So that's all I would say. Just I wish that they'd add more products in that other people are going to enjoy, because there's not really a lot of stuff on there, and the stuff that I feel like that is very expensive for what it is, and I feel like that's what pushes people to actually buy it. But you know what, this box I actually like. I think it might be my favourite box so far, and the spring one was really good and I really enjoyed it. So this box I'm happy with, and I wish, like I said, there were a couple of different things that you could choose from, because I wish that they did have some more choice for things. But you know what, out of everything, there's only really 2 things that I'm not really the biggest fan of, and in all honesty, there's one that I definitely wouldn't choose myself as something that I'm definitely going to be giving away to someone else. So I feel like they did pretty well on this. I am going to do another box for winter because I do want to see what choice you get in the winter box. So I should have just got the yearly subscription, but the problem is I didn't know how my first box was going to be, so that's why I didn't get the yearly subscription. I just got it when you do the quarterly subscription. So I recommend this box because I actually think there are quite a few things that are worth more than the box, and if you do want to get something that is worth more than a box, just go ahead and get it because you get extra things. And even if you don't like the extra things, you can give them away for presents to people, so you know, Christmas is coming up soon. So this is everything I have in my FabFitFun autumn or fall box. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you've tried FabFitFun, and if you like it or if you don't, just comment down below to let me know, and make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.